that time of year for kids to be going to post-secondary education. And the two most common questions we get is what is required in order to make a withdrawal from a RESP plan? And secondly, how much can I get? A subsequent video, we're going to talk about some planning around RESPs even when the kids are going to school. So make sure you watch the subsequent video as well. So what do you require to provide in order to make a withdrawal from your RESP plan? I'm just going to read them out to you. First of all, you need the student's full name, of course. You need the name of the institution that the student's going to, the program that they're studying, the year that it's happening, the enrollment status, and it has to be on letterhead or an official seal. So these are all of the items that are required. So typically what is provided to you, which will have all of these items included, is an official enrollment letter from the post-secondary institution, the student's account statement showing tuition fees for the academic year, so an invoice or a bill basically, and confirmation of enrollment for the post-secondary education. Simply providing an acceptance letter or an admission offer or an email does not suffice for proof that the student is actually enrolled and going to university or post-secondary education program. There are two types of payments that come out of the RESP plan. The first one is an education assistance payment. This is basically growth and grant. I'm going to call it growth and grant just to simplify. The second is all the contributions that you've made. So they're separated out when making a withdrawal from your RESP plan. You can withdraw up to $8,000 in the first 13 weeks of education of the grant and growth. That's the maximum. After the 13 weeks, you can pull out more contribution if you wish, or even in the first 13 weeks, you can pull out contribution if you wish. After the 13 weeks, you can pull up to $28,122. This is for the 2024 calendar year of growth and grant as well. So after the 13 weeks, you can pull out an additional amount. That is the amount that's maximum per year. If you do require more than that maximum amount, you just have to provide proof of expenses, and then the extra amount will be allowable to be pulling out of grants and growth if your post-secondary education is quite expensive, for example. So we're often asked, should you pull out more than what the maximums allowable are? We're going to have a subsequent video that talks about the planning around RESP. So tune into that video and we'll talk about should you pull out more or should you just pull out the maximum amount you're allowable.